First, make a shape, not lines. Focus on big shapes and work your way down to smaller shapes. After making your shapes, connect them. As Steve Jobs said, you can't connect the dots looking forward, you can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. Next thing is the value. Identify the shadow, the highlight, and midtone. If you're getting lost identifying, try comparing one area to another area and see it an area needs to be darken or lighten, and never be afraid to get dirty on your work. And lastly, the details. This part isn't actually that important because you've already heard the fundamentals, it's just applying the same rules but on a much smaller scale. Basically, this part is just a cherry on top. Also, knowing how lights work and knowing your subject can drastically improve your drawing.